Hello friends, in this video lecture we will be discussing MCQs based on DU LLM entrance paper. So MCQ number first, John Rawls' idea of basing justice on a contract has been challenged by, so the right answer over here is that it is criticized by option 3, Amartya Sen. Okay, so John Rawls has given an idea of justice, the concept of justice as a social contract, as a social contract. According to him, when rational people, when rational people at their original पोजीशन का मतलब क्या है? ओरिजिनल पोजीशन का मतलब है when they are unbiased, they don't know about their status, they don't know about the needs, about the greeds, they are in a veil of ignorance. Such people, when such people decides the terms of what things will constitute to be just and equity, that is the idea of justice. So this concept has been, it has been criticized by Amartya Sen. According to him, poverty, the elimination is of the poverty and making the individuals capable is the only way for achieving justice. Okay, so John Rawls' theory of justice is a sound theory which says that a well ordered society needed a concept of justice as a basic requirement, and that concept should be developed by rational individuals behind a veil of ignorance that they don't know anything about their position, status, needs, and greeds, and it would involve प्राइमरली इक्वल राइट्स टू बेसिक लिबर्टीज. इन्होंने बेसिक लिबर्टीज को बहुत प्रायोरिटी दी है जॉन रॉल ने. एंड सेकेंडली द सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटी शुड बी डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम equal opportunities. In the end should benefit the least advantaged. Okay, so according to Rawls, a well ordered society or a good society should have two major aspects: a society as one designed to advance the goods of its members and effectively regulated by public conception of justice. Okay, it is a society in which everyone accepts and knows that the others accept the same principle of justice, and the basic social institutions satisfy and are known to satisfy these principles. So the basic social institutions are also satisfied, and everyone and others also accept the same principle of justice. So they are in a contract with each other. Whereas this Amartya Sen criticizes it. It says that basing the justice to the idea of contract from rational people is wrong. It is about making people capable and reducing the poverty. Okay. So MCU number second. Dinesh finds a gold ring on the road, not knowing to whom the ring belongs. Dinesh picks up the ring. Dinesh is guilty of which offense under the IPC? So the right answer over here is option 1, no offense. The right answer is option 1, no offense. Why? Because Dinesh here is in a quasi contract. Is in a quasi contract. Okay. Finder of lost good. Finder of lost goods. Okay. So he has not, for theft, there need to be a guilty intention, a guilty mind, a dishonest intention has to be there for theft. For criminal breach of trust, there has to be a trust imposed by somebody. Okay, so that is not there, and dishonest misappropriation is not there because he has not misappropriated it. He has just picked up the ring. So therefore, he has done no offense. First Geneva Convention 1949 deals with, so this deals with, for taking care of the sick in or wounded people in the armed forces during the battle. So on human ground, if two nations are in battle, and if the soldiers of the other nation are sick and wounded, then the host nation should do everything to protect such wounded and sick in the armed forces in field. तो ये on field fighters के लिए है. Amelioration means to reduce, to reduce or to make fair the condition for the wounded people के लिए थोड़ा आराम करना. ठीक है. So Article 12 mandates that wounded and sick soldiers who are out of the battle should be humanely treated. Okay. Article 15 also says that they should uh, be collected, cared, but they can be termed as prisoners of war. आप उनको prisoners of war का status दे सकते हो. Okay. Shamim Ara claimed her dower after the death of her husband from her husband's property. तो देखो जब हस्बैंड के डेथ के बाद आप हस्बैंड की प्रॉपर्टी से डॉवर लेते हैं ना, then that is basically you are an unsecured creditor. तो आपका जो प्रायोरिटी है वो बाद में आएगा. So the right answer over here will be that Shamim Ara, for taking dower, she is an ordinary unsecured creditor having no priority over other unsecured creditors, subject to her right to retention. ठीक है. Now to cede MCQ number 5th. To cede a part of Indian territory in favor of any foreign country. अगर हम इंडियन टेरिटरी या इंडियन लैंड को किसी भी फॉरेन नेशन को देते हैं, which one of the following procedural requirement must be complied with? So if we are giving our land to any of to a foreign nation, then there is need of a constitutional amendment act under article 368. We cannot do so by merely an executive action under article 2 and 3. We also need amendment to the constitution under article 368. For that we need special majority. Okay. So the right answer over here will be option 3. A constitutional amendment act must be passed in compliance with article 368 of the Constitution of India. This is MCQ number 5th. So these were the 5 MCQs related to DU LLM entrance paper. In next, if you want to watch more such MCQs, you can go to the playlist, and in that you can go to DU LLM MCQs, and you can also watch CLAT LLM MCQs. Okay. So thank you all.